Well, I was happy to have an opportunity to speak today because we know that the Cloud Act is something that many French government officials and companies and public sector entities are looking at and trying to understand. And we're very keen for that discussion to be based on facts. And we've been worried about some of the misconceptions about the Cloud Act. Most significantly, we're very worried about a strong misconception that the Cloud Act somehow gives the U.S. government unfettered access to data held overseas. And that's simply not the case. And what I was happy to have an opportunity to speak about in my remarks today are the large numbers of protections that are built into the Cloud Act to make sure that it is the opposite of unfettered access to data. And in fact, one of the provisions of the Cloud Act that we're most encouraged about is the explicit pathway for creating bilateral agreements between sovereign entities. And we note that Minister Le Maire has called for negotiations between the U.S. and the EU on Cloud Act, and we are strongly supportive of those negotiations, and we hope that they will take place quickly and conclude an agreement in that space, because we know that cloud is critical to the ability of all sorts of French entities, whether it's public sector entities, large enterprises, small startups, to be able to compete and be as effective as possible in the 21st century economy.